Hello YouTubers, you're watching this do-it-yourself channel, and today we have 2011 Nissan Murano and we will replace cabin air filter. So the filter is located on the left hand side at the passenger side. So I'll try to flash some light. So over there is a little door. Some videos show that you need to remove the glove box. I don't think you need. So we just reach. There is like a little lever. Press it up. And pull that door off. So this is what it is. Basically one hook at the top and one at the bottom. So now we have access to the filter. So now we just need to get it out. It is normally quite squeezed inside, so you might need to use like a little pick to get it out. Lots of dust coming out, which is expected. Okay. Alright, so this is the dirty side. Okay, let's get the new one. And I will leave the links in the description to the video, to the new filter. Alright, so I have the filter over here. It's new. Actually, this one quite cool. It has a little attachment that will allow to pull it out, and the airflow, so it has to go from the front of the vehicle to the cabin. And if you look, this door, it's much smaller than any dimension of the filter. So to get this filter in, there is a little trick. I will try to show you. So you take this filter without making any damage to it, and you make this butterfly. So then, let's assume this is the door you're going in. You kind of go this way, this way, this way, this way, and this is how you get it in. So I will need to use two of my hands, but basically now when we have this thing, we will go in and we will push it in like this, just in and clockwise. Okay, so let's try to show you. The filter is all the way in. You don't want to force it too much, like it should go in quite easily. So next thing, we need to install this. So we put it into that little door, slide it out, make sure that that hook at the top is in place, and then we lock the bottom side. So try to show. So we kind of put it into the door and just slide it out. So now it has direction to go, and then we just push. So, and then you try to pull it off. If the top is not locked, it will come out easily. This sits quite well. So this is how you replace cabin air filter without removing any glove boxes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.